Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Have you ever had an extension that you needed to update on all of your sites quickly? When that happens to me, I use the extension features in mySites.guru. It's one of my favorite areas. Let me show that to you right now. To update one extension on multiple sites, log into your mySites.guru account and then go to Other Site Information. Click, and then click on Your Joomla Extensions. After that, we're going to search by the extension. Let's look for Akiba Backup. Over here in the far right, we're going to search for that. And we'll be presented with a list of all of our sites that are using that exact version on them. Next, we're going to click Filter by these sites. That's going to show that list of sites in the Mass Updater. Now, the next step is to choose the extension that we're going to upload. Now, you can do it from a URL, but I've already downloaded Akiba to my computer, so let's get that there. We'll select the package, Akiba, 6.6.1 in this case, and now, very important, next, upload the package to use. Once it's been uploaded, next you're going to click Install on All, and that will select all the sites that were filtered in the previous screen. Next, the final step is to scroll down to the bottom and then click Install Extension on selected sites. Once you've done that, your extension will be updated on all of the sites that you selected. It's a huge time saver using this on mySites.guru. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? Please do so. Ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.